Hello, and welcome to this Genesys mobile engagement demonstration video for banking. This video shows how customers using a mobile application can be provided with an enhanced customer experience when transitioning from the mobile application to live customer service. This overcomes the common issue that all of the rich context and information that lives in the mobile application is lost when the customer transitions through to the contact center. This creates a significant disconnect between the world of mobile and the world of customer care, increasing customer effort and potentially resulting in missed revenue opportunities and increased customer churn. With Genesys mobile engagement, we can preserve that information with a two-way exchange, allowing Genesys to pass the rich data such as geolocation, customer history and customer authentication data, as well as the context of that interaction, so what the customer was interested in at the time, from the mobile device and send it to the contact center ahead of the interaction. This enables an intelligent routing decision to be made based on all of the available data and ensures customer frustration is avoided in having to navigate unnecessary IVR menus or repeat security information to the agent. So let's take a look at the demo. Here we have an example banking mobile application into which we've added the enhanced features of Genesys mobile engagement. So let's assume I've been looking at my accounts on my mobile and one of the account balances is a little less than I was expecting. I want to contact someone to find out more details than I can see in the mobile application, so this Contact Us button allows me to do that. As we were on the account screen when we hit the Contact Us button, Genesys mobile engagement already knows the context of that interaction, so it can look up the options on how we might want to communicate with the agent. To do this, we're passing all of the rich data about this interaction to help make that intelligent routing decision. My identity, my location, the recent actions in the application, and even device information. Once the agent has been selected, I get the choice of how I'd like to interact. This may be an urgent matter and I want to speak to someone as soon as possible. I might be in a public place and prefer to engage in a chat session to avoid being overheard. Or I might be just about to enter a meeting and therefore prefer to be called back when it's more convenient. For now, we'll assume I want to speak to someone as soon as possible, so we'll go ahead and click that option. This places the call through to the agent that's been selected, and as we can see from the agent screen, all of the data that the customer and the mobile application has provided is passed through to the call center to prevent the agent having to spend the first couple of minutes of the call finding out what the call is about and running through the data protection checks. The live Google map exposing this information is in real time and allows Genesys to make advanced business and routing decisions not previously possible. So we carry on with our interaction, and once we're done we hang up as usual. Later on in the day we might be looking for some information about credit cards, and as we had such a good experience through using the mobile application to engage earlier in the day, we decide to use it again. So we select the Contact Us option, and this time we see a list of options that my query might be about. The benefits here are that we can bypass the need for long and cumbersome traditional IVR menus by visually presenting the potential reasons for that interaction. We'll suppose that this time I prefer to engage in a chat, so we'll select that option and we can engage in a chat session with the chosen agent without ever having to leave the mobile application. Another scenario is that we might want to request a callback for a little later on in the day, so we select the options that we might be interacting about and simply select Schedule a Callback from the options menu. We now get a choice of when we'd like to be called back. If the contact center was particularly busy, the organisation might grey out the first 10 minutes or so and only offer callbacks after that time. When the time comes, I'll get the notification that there is someone available to take my call, and I can either dismiss it if the question's already been answered, or I can view and then have the options to either accept the call, deny the call, or snooze to be called back later. So that completes a brief run through of the Genesys mobile engagement application. Just to recap what we've seen here today, we've taken an example banking mobile application and opened up a world of new opportunity in how we can enable customers on their mobile device to interact with the organisation when they have a need. We can enable a seamless experience for the customer when either they request to contact an organisation or even when the organisation sees an opportunity to proactively engage with the customer. For the first time, we can link the customer on their mobile device through the rich data that the application provides to the routing, skills management and agent desktop, selecting the best available agent and providing the agent with all of the customer and interaction data they need to provide an optimal experience for that customer. If you'd like to hear more about the power of Genesys mobile engagement and the benefits it can bring, please contact your account manager for more information. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and goodbye.